Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the clasp, end links, spring bars, and screws so you know what's faulty. This prevents wasted disassembly. Once you identify bent spring bars or strip screws, gather the 1 mm pin pusher, spring bar tool, jeweler's screwdriver, and a loop. Make sure to work on a soft, contrasting mat to catch tiny parts. You need firm, light, and steady hands. This early check speeds the repair and tells you whether parts must be replaced versus adjusted. You now remove links to access the problematic area or size the band. First, find the small arrow marks on the link interior and push pins out in that direction using the pin pusher. Steady pressure prevents kinking the link. Once pins start, finish with a small plier or screwdriver if fitted screws are present. Keep each pin or screw in a labeled container so reassembly is exact. This preserves alignment and prevents clasp misfit when you rejoin the bracelet. You reassemble by installing fresh spring bars or the original ones if undamaged, and carefully reinserting pins or screws until they sit flush. This ensures proper tension and alignment. Make sure the clasp clicks securely. If it feels loose, adjust link order or replace the end link. Once done, test the watch on your wrist for comfort and movement, and try light water exposure or simulated activity to confirm stability. If the band flexes or a pin backs out, recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.